Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a cloud shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add insert a cloud shape in these documents. At first you have to go insert menu, then click drawing option, then press plus new. Now press this shape option and choose your or find your cloud shape. Now you can see here are a cloud shape. Just press this cloud shape and press shift on your keyboard and insert this cloud shape. Now I change this cloud shape color. Select this shape, then go to shape fill color. Now I choose blue, light blue color, then press save and close. Now you can see I insert a cloud shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for